Just got to Jersey. Fiona is here. B Michigan's like an hour behind me. Belmar's claiming 5 to 7 right now. Swell hasn't peaked yet. I gotta fix up my Pizel from Earl. Dropped it on the tail. And then we're gonna go hunting. See what there is to see. It's heavy. Me and Mishy just jumped in. I'm right behind him. Let's go.
Saturday, then
All right, Fiona was finicky. Very long period. Friday was fun. Didn't really get much, but it was good to feel the energy, be out there, see some of those crazy waves coming through. Some leftovers on Saturday, but again, period was still a little bit long, so pretty frustrating as far as the closeouts are concerned. Looking forward to the next one. Steve should be back in the water. Steve, you are missed out there, I promise you that. Hopefully the boys can get back together, get the next storm. And until then, thanks for watching. If you're liking it, subscribe. It's always appreciated. And I will see you guys on the next round.